Thank you for purchasing the Eyefficient Phoropter shield for the AO style Phoropter. If you notice, our device hangs on the mechanism for the vertex distance, and it's important that it's kept on the back shelf so it stays out of the way of everything when you move your Phoropter, otherwise it will slide down like others. So when you get this device, you get a second part. It's called a retaining device. It's like a little O-ring, and what you're going to do is you're going to, the very first time, you're just going to stretch this, you're going to roll this on, and you want it to go on to where it's sitting up against that back shelf. At that point then, you can just put your shield on back there and drop it into place. That's going to hold it secure so it's not going to get in any way or anything. And then it makes it very simple and easy to remove. Take off if you want to clean it between each patient if possible, put back on. But it will hold it in place, and again, you're not going to get in the way of any of the movement of your Phoropter or the convergence or anything else. Thank you, and enjoy your shield.